Come go next to my car. Keep going, Jason. You're good. Keep going. Turn right, turn right. You're good. Turn right. You're good, you're good. Keep going right. Going this way. Keep going. You're good. Go straight. Go ahead. You're good. Keep going. Back up a little.
Go back, go back, go back, go back. Go back, go back. Go back.
Go back and come
Go
to
back,
your
go
right,
back more.
left.
Stop right there, right there. Put this wheel right here. Put
Come
it
left a
more
little
this way,
bit.
yeah.
About a foot left.
Yeah.
Yeah, go straight, go straight.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Now go.
Go, go, go. Move, Chuck, move, move.
Wait. I noticed that his tires are slipping.
Am I gonna hit
Go right, Jason.
Go right.
Yeah. Now just go like that, just go like that. Yeah, you good.
Go.
Hey, wait. Hey, Chris, you shouldn't do that because the rocks might fly.
Don't worry, just keep going, just keep going.
Go ahead, you clear.
What about this side?
You clear both sides. There you go, you good.
Keep going.
Stop there, I'm going to guide you up here.
It's pretty easy from there, it's pretty easy.